Okay, we'll show you the Concavex movement and on the handles and the Squeegee Channels. Here we have a ETTORE handle and it's got a Mormon Squeegee channel on this one, and here we have a Sorbo handle with a STECCONE channel in it, the movement that is. And now we have a Libman with a Eureka quad channel, which is sort of a knockoff of a Sorbo channel. And here's wagtail handle with a wagtail SLIMLINE channel in it. Just give you a show how it moves. And now we'll show you a do-it-yourself one that we made ourselves. Quite easy to do. I'll show you at a later date how we done it. And you can put these in as well. Goes in nicely. And this has got a Sorbo channel in it. Take that out. And the Concavex movement takes just about every channel on the market, whether it's wide body, thin or otherwise. And well, I suppose that's about it.